Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to log into your blockchain wallet account. First, open your web browser and go to your specific blockchain wallet provider's official website. Look for the Login or Sign In button, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Click on it, then carefully enter your registered email address and the password you created. Double-check for any typos before proceeding to ensure a smooth login experience. Protecting your blockchain wallet is crucial. Always enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, which adds an extra security step, often a code from your phone. Create a strong, unique password that includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, ideally with at least 12 characters. Most importantly, never, ever share your private keys or recovery phrase. These are the ultimate access to your funds. If you're having trouble logging in, don't worry, there are common fixes. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can prevent access. Next, try clearing your web browser's cache and cookies, as old data can sometimes interfere with the login process. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it securely. Remember to follow the instructions carefully for a successful recovery. To keep your wallet secure, always back up your recovery phrase and store it in a very safe, offline place. This phrase is your ultimate key if you ever lose access. Be extremely cautious of phishing scams. Always double-check the website URL before entering any credentials. Never click on suspicious links in emails or messages. And hey, for a different kind of upgrade, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.